Welcome to Unit 1, where we explore the concept that 2 is better than 1. This unit will delve into the form, meaning, and function of language, setting the stage for a deeper understanding of communication. The simple present tense is used for facts and things that are true in general. It's also used to talk about future timetables or schedules, and for exclamations with here and there. Let's see how it applies to everyday situations. We use the simple present for general truths, future schedules, and exclamations. For example, the Earth orbits the Sun, and my flight to Dubai leaves at 8:10 tomorrow. It's a versatile tense that helps us express certainty and routine. Understanding the structure of the simple present is key. For singular subjects, we add ss or ies. For plural subjects, we use the infinitive form. This structure helps us form sentences like, she starts a new diet, or, they play football every week. Spelling rules are crucial when forming the simple present tense. For most verbs, we add s, but there are specific rules for verbs ending in ch, shish, s's, x, or o. These rules ensure our sentences are grammatically correct. Continuing with spelling rules, when a verb ends with a consonant and y, we change y to ies. For verbs ending with a vowel and y, we simply add s. Understanding these rules helps us write accurately in the simple present tense. Let's practice forming sentences using the simple present. For example, where does she go every day becomes, she goes to school every day. This exercise helps reinforce our understanding of the tense. Continuing our practice, what does he do every weekend becomes, he plays football every weekend. These exercises are designed to help you master the simple present tense in everyday conversation. The simple present is also used to describe natural phenomena. For instance, what does the moon do becomes, the moon orbits the earth. This tense helps us express universal truths clearly and effectively. Now, let's compare the simple present with the present progressive. The simple present describes habits and routines, while the present progressive is used for actions occurring now or for temporary situations. Understanding the difference is key to effective communication. The present progressive is used for actions that are changing or developing, happening now, or expressing temporary states. For example, you are getting taller every day, or, Ali is working at a cafe until he finds a job in his field. The structure of the present progressive involves the subject, am, is, are, and the infinitive plus, ing. This structure allows us to form sentences like, I am going or, they are playing, indicating ongoing actions. It's important to note that some verbs, known as stative verbs, are not often used in the progressive form. These include verbs like, believe, know, like, and own. Understanding this helps us use the present progressive correctly. When adding ing to verbs, some change their spelling. For verbs ending with a consonant preceded by a vowel, we double the last consonant. This rule helps us form words like running and stopping accurately. For verbs ending with e, we remove e and add ing. For verbs ending with ie, we change ie to y and add ing. These rules are essential for forming the present progressive tense correctly. Let's practice forming sentences using the present progressive. What is the teacher doing right now becomes, she is teaching the students. This exercise helps reinforce our understanding of ongoing actions. Continuing our practice, what is he doing now becomes, he is reading a book. These exercises are designed to help you master the present progressive tense in everyday conversation. Finally, what are you doing at the moment becomes, I am doing my homework. Practicing these sentences helps solidify your understanding of the present progressive tense. Let's apply what we've learned in a conversation. Read the dialogue and complete it using the correct form of the verb, either simple present or present progressive. This exercise helps you apply tense rules in real-life scenarios. Exploring words connected with museums and galleries, we find terms related to archaeology, technology, and national themes. These words help us describe and categorize different types of museums and galleries effectively. We use intensifiers like really, absolutely, and quite, with adjectives to express enthusiasm. Gradable adjectives can be measured in degrees, while non-gradable adjectives cannot. This distinction helps us convey our feelings more precisely. In this workbook exercise, circle the correct words to express enthusiasm. Some words can be used interchangeably, while others are more specific. This activity helps you understand how to use intensifiers effectively in sentences.